Hello and welcome back to day 2 of my 7 Days of Isopod series. Today we are drawing the Rubber Ducky Isopod. Now, I would say that the Rubber Ducky Isopod is kind of the celebrity of isopods. It's definitely the species that brought isopods to the attention of the masses. Mostly because of how adorable they are. They are the Cubaris species, no formal specific yet, and they obviously get their name from looking like little rubber duckies. These guys are native to Thailand and actually can be found in limestone caves, so they really like their calcium. I just love this guy. I want to keep a colony one day, and hopefully I will soon. I hope you guys like this and stay tuned for day 3.